So step 2 and 3 are really going on hand in hand because while we're building out the infrastructure for your emails, this takes about a 2-week period for the emails to be ready to go for the outbound campaign. So during those 2 weeks that we're getting those emails prepared and warmed up, we are going into deep ICP research. We're mapping out your total addressable market, and we're building up more of a knowledge base on your industry, your particular company, and what makes you stand out, as well as how you match up against competitors. So the way we do this is really we make sure these questions are answered from the research that we have prior, which is where to play, where is the ICP, what to sell, what is going to be the front end offer that's going to allow people to want to jump right into an interested call or being able to check out at least your service, and just making it an easy no-brainer to be able to just have some sort of interest. Then how to engage, we route to market, really just what's the best approach for reaching out to them. Are we going with a lead magnet? Are we going with a case study? What is the exact angle we want to take there? So we begin the research from AI, really going into just the different LLMs. It could be Manus, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, anything from there. And then we feed the LLM with the other information that we got from you and your team, which is the customer review analysis, your market analysis, as well as clients' company analysis. So being able to see what your clients are saying about you, what you have in your perception about what the company is best providing, and then being able to match up those together to create the best kind of copy that we have. So we feed it with other relevant data. So for here, we go into mapping TAM, list all of the industries the client currently serves, uncover viable industry segments that clients can serve, and account selection criteria. So whatever you're working with, whoever you can potentially work with, and where you see that going. So we'll be able to map out the TAM from there. You go into the base account filtering requirements, get TAM accounts. So we're able to understand that, as well as get a total number of contacts in your total addressable market to begin the campaign development. So for here, when we're doing the ICP mapping, we're able to see what customer best fits your client's service or product. And then from here, we're looking into what the team structures are, what are their buying signals, what are the job titles, is there a certain tech stack that proves that there's someone that are interested in buying from you, as well as the common pain points that people have in these industries, and past client case studies and data that we can then be able to provide to new prospects, basically proving we are who we say we are, as well as we can do what we say we can do. So we outline that ICP for account scoring, and we score it based on who's going to fit the best. So for scores of 90, we do account-based marketing as well as Dream 100, and then scores below around 50 can be handled through cold calls, just being able to reach out, understand their pain points, and then be able to build on top of the data that we currently have. So we bring all of those up to the TAM accounts, and then we begin campaign development from there.